Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today learn SolidWorks lecture 4. SolidWorks lecture 4 is basic GUI and all point is discussed deeply and clearly. This is a basic point is last lecture. This is a very important in beginner student and learn a SolidWorks. Then some name useful at first in SolidWorks. First is SolidWorks search, help, layout, menu, graphic area, task pane, task pane. This is a mistake, but task pane is a correct. Task pane is a correct. Task pane is a correct graph. So then use some point discuss here. At first I see open SolidWorks. This is a graphic area. This is a graphic area and this is a user workspace. And first point is a 1 point mistake here. This is a 4 point and 1 point extra add. You see, you listen carefully and okay, this is a point not added. This point is a heads up view toolbar. Okay, this is a name is called heads up view toolbar. This all point is name is heads up view toolbar, and this is a SolidWorks search, and this is a help layout menu, and task pane is a this point is task pane, but some is discussed here, and this is a graphic area. Task pane is not so here, but I assembly point is this is a some useful. Okay, this is a point is okay clear. This is a task pane. This is a task pane is use, and okay, this is a design library, SolidWorks resources, design library, file explorer. This is a task pane, and this is a graphic area, and this is a SolidWorks search, and this is a help layout menu. And this point is very important in SolidWorks, and beginner student is very important. All name is a heads up view toolbar. Okay, all point is clear, and next fifth lecture is one by one discuss 2D design in SolidWorks and 3D modeling in SolidWorks. One by one discuss. Next lecture 6 is sketch point. At first sketch point one by one discuss here, and all a sketch point is clear. Then feature point discuss here, and all feature point is clear. Then surface point, metal, sheet metal, welments, render tools, simulation, and all 3 points. First is part assembly and drawing. A to Z SolidWorks point 2 point, all point discuss deeply and clearly. Okay guys, don't forget subscribe my channel, like and share. Okay guys, next video is fifth lecture coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.